Good to see two. That's good. We'll do a little comparison. All right.
That's cool.
So, we're putting wands, or we're putting wands on the worm, are we not? Because you just did you just do one this morning?
Yeah,
You did.
577.
That's right, 5 thank you.
I think it's that page.
Okay, we'll check your memory here. So this book is a reference book that it's called the Pile Book. It's a pile of information is what it is. And it is, has no pictures that identify the bird. I'm looking. Yes, sir. Well done. Well done, sir. That's great. And it gives us, basic information about generally the size of the bird, what is applied to the bird, and how the bird is actually aged. And that's basically what we're trying to do. We're trying to understand if the bird is a young bird, was it hatched this year, or is it a bird that's reproducing? And for the most part, these small birds, we can't tell more than 2 to 3 years old at the most, and that's it. And for the most part, a lot of the migrants don't live much longer than that. I'm trying to get them to know. Okay, so they're both worms. One's from 5 and one's from 7. Right? Which one did you write? 7?
I wrote 7, yeah.
You wrote 7. Okay. This is the 5. We're concerned about where the bird is caught because the birds might be on territory, and they might not be, but in this case, the worm-eating warbler. Here's the band number for you, 3171 and 95819.
3171195819.
Wrong.
No.
Well, hold on a second, let me have to check that. 3171 is the series. 95819.
Okay, that is what I wrote down.
Thank you. Like I said, these bands have been, they cost like a fraction of a penny. Almost every student child that we have at the table says, oh, you're putting on a transmitter or a video camera or whatever. But no, we're not. I forgot to weigh it, sorry. I'll weigh it later. What's that?
I said they're not that light yet, but it's coming.
That's right. It is coming, and it's also, they're much more expensive, but it's getting cheaper. And so, yeah, we have done some of that, but we are not doing that here.
Cool.
Hand is on. Just double checking. Let me give you the wing first. 6'6". This is a hatchier bird. Age is a hatchier. I'm just going to give the codes to Jack, and then we'll talk about the bird real quick and get some pictures of it if you like. So it's hatcher bird, and that's going to be by plumage. And then WLT code is going to be FCF. Sex is going to be unknown. And CP and BP. 0 and 0, or excuse me, CP is 1, BP is 0. Fat is 0, body mold is 0.
I think I'll head to 0 to get ahead on the next check.
Thank you. Flight feather mold is 0. Flight, or excuse me, and flight feather wear is 0. Sorry about that. And then for the moltiness of EJ, and skull is going to be a 2. I know. Just their little call, and I'm pretty sure that's a begging call, or it might be a distress call. It looks like, this is called the Banner's Grip. It looks terrible, but, sure, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. Now you're an official volunteer.
We
I know you can.
We sighted or actually, the leader sighted a snake